Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna install this curly wig. This is from my collection. I also added, this wig was a 14-inch wig at first, but I added some bundles. I don't want to do no part, but we're gonna finesse it and see what's this giving. All right, so let's go. So you will need scissors, your ghost bond, an edge brush, the WIG gel, a comb that's thin like this so you can, press the lace in. So right now I'm finna, okay, how I do mine, I cut this section first. So we're gonna cut this part. You can use a razor, I use scissors, like it really doesn't matter as long as you just make sure it looks natural. Like people be doing the most with these fucking wigs. But you're gonna cut as much lace off as you can. When you cut, make sure you do like zigzags. We haven't even like glued it down yet. So now I'm gonna first layer of boho hold. Yes, I'm tripping. And I don't have a cap on. I mean, you can wear a cap. My hair's pushed back. I mean, do what works for you. And we're gonna do probably 3 layers. So I'm gonna do my little dots. You don't have to squeeze a lot out, because I feel like the more you squeeze out, it's just gonna be too much. Okay, you know how it's still whitish, still whitish in some spots, but we're just gonna hurry up and go back in and add our second layer. Like, don't dry it too much, because we want it to be tacky. Sticky, tacky, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now it's time for our third layer. Okay. I like my wigs a little bit above my hairline because I feel like it's just safer. Like, you can put it on your hairline. You can put it on your hair. Okay, so now we finna lay our lace. So what you're gonna do is grab your lace and you're gonna pull it down wherever you put your glue at. And I want you to pull, but not too hard. Gonna have this finger hold right there. And then we're gonna press it in. Don't mind it. And we're gonna go in and I can really cut this lace off because I don't need all of that extra. Okay. So now we're gonna take the boho. Okay, so now for our side, we're gonna comb all the hair out the way, and I'm gonna use a hair clip to keep the hair out the way. So we're gonna pull it down, and then you gotta How to customize, you gotta cut the lace around your ear. So we're gonna take this. Okay, so actually we're gonna move up just a little bit because my ear starts right. You can start seeing like, you know, the shape of my ear right here. So we gotta cut. You see how my ear is right here? We gotta cut more lace off to shape around my whole ear so it can fit. So now, okay, so you see how I shaped around my ear now? And then we're gonna cut this off after we finish laying this part down. So now we're gonna grab our lace. I don't know. I do my wigs in sections because I feel like when you don't do it in sections, your wig could get wrinkly, or it just depends on the lace. So I'm gonna go in and do our third layer on this side. Now, we're gonna take our comb, push into the lace in your, wherever the glue's at, you gotta push it into it. We're gonna glue her down. Okay, we got our lace down, so now I'm just gonna make my part. I was gonna do a no part look. I think I might still do it. I don't know, I'm gonna pull out my fingers.